Hey Bulldogs, welcome to another episode of All right. Today we are going to be making a grilled cheese sandwich. Okay, so we're going to need some bread, some cheese, some butter, and a grill. As you can see here. All right, we've got the finest bread, we got the finest cheese, both of which come from Argentina. This butter, I tell you what about this butter. Okay, so we're gonna start off, we're gonna take this bread, we're gonna take the bread, and we are going to spread butter on one side of each slice of bread. Now, this greases it up so when it's on this griddle over here, it will cook smoothly. It will be perfect, okay? So we put it on one side of each. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off, okay? Okay, so we turn that off, okay? And we're gonna take some cheese and put it on the bread, okay? Now, butter side facing out. Now, yeah. Your wife's here. She's here? Just tell her to, I don't know. Hey.
Answer your fucking phone!
I'm on the show right now. What are you talking
I
about?
saw your Amazon order.
You saw?
We were done. Goodbye.
So we're going to take the sandwich and we're gonna leave it sit for a while. Let the turn on the grill.